Now, welcome to the last session of second module, Instrumentation for Agriculture. Now, in this session, we will see dairy farm automation. The main theme of dairy farm automation is milking the cow. See, when there are hundreds or 200s or even up to 1000 cows are there in the farm, it is not easy for uh, peoples to milk the cow, and for that we have invented the cow's milking machine. So there also instrumentation is having important role. It is basically consists of the milking machine consists of a vacuum pump and a milk receiving tank, you can see in the figure. So this milk receiving tank is again connected to vacuum pump. So if we automate this milking process, it has very good advantages. One is I can milk the more number of cows during the single hour, less manpower is required. But apart from that, I can adjust the machine settings so that it will not create a strain in cows. Okay, when manually human beings are not good for repetitive jobs, but if machine does this repetitive job, it will not create much strain in the cows. That is the best thing, reason behind automating milking process. So you can see two lines colored, one is in orange and the other one is in blue color or turquoise color. The turquoise color line consists of compressed air line, and the orange line is connected to the vacuum pump. So when I connect the suction cups, which is marked in green colors, the pictures of suction cups you should you should look into Google Images. It is connected to the tect of the cow nipple portion, and after that the vacuum will hold the cup in the vertical position. So during the holding time, uh, the vacuum will suck out the milk from the cow's nipple. Okay, and this process should relax. For that, we are providing little compressed air. That flow is controlled using the connected solenoid valve, which is indicated in the figure. And you can also see a graph where pressure versus time, it will be in a pulsing state. Okay, so you can adjust this pulsing rate depending upon the breed of cow and the time of lactating period. The see, cow cannot be you give milk in a uniform way. The lactating period, the last days of the lactating period, cow will yield only less milk. So you can adjust this graph settings in the microcontroller or the control board of the instrument, and this gives you a lot of freedom. In fact, Israelis were the pioneers in this kind of technology. They hold numerous patent in cows milking machines. They have a lot of farms, and after that, this patent holders are Nestle and Unilever. Netherlands is also leaders in this area in automating dairy farm because they are the leading provider of milk chocolates. So that is this is one important lesson which everyone should take. And the suction cup materials are built using food grade material. Even these pipelines are also constructed using food grade materials, including the receiving tanks. There is a special grade of steel which is called food grade steel, which will not damage the properties of food. In fact, the utensils which we use in home is food grade plastics and food grade metallic things. Okay, so this should the viewer should be encouraged to design this kind of machines in automating farms. And from the lessons learned from these machines, you can even build cotton plucking machines or rice harvesting machines, which I think already some models are available in our nation, but still there is a lot of room for improvement in that area, and a lot of startups has to be born yet. And the central government has schemes. Central government of India has schemes for funding such kind of projects for students. Okay, so with this I conclude this session. uh, Thank you. The reader is urged to look the figures in Google for these machines.